In this series, we will do a real-world reenactment utilizing the TASER Bolt 2. Christy will maintain a strong mindset, be situationally aware, and manage her distance with potential threats. I will give her a series of commands. They are going to be the following. The command of ready, she will assume a fighting stance. Arm, she will brandish the TASER Bolt 2. Threat, she will discharge the TASER Bolt 2. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ready.
Get back!
Arm.
Get back! Stop!
Threat. Upon threat, she will assess the situation. With the neuromuscular incapacitation achieved, she will flee the area for safety. The device will go for 30 seconds. Ultimately, we would get a 12-inch probe spread for best neuromuscular incapacitation. In the event that you had to use your TASER Bolt 2 in a real-world self-defense situation, TASER has a safe escape replacement guarantee. Upon filing a police report, TASER will replace your TASER Bolt 2 at no cost.